Everything RF. Latest products this week, 14 to 24th July, 2024. 5-watt GaN power amplifier MMIC from 24.25 to 26.5 GHz by Qorvo. 25-watt Flang-Down terminations from DC to 7 GHz by Spectrum Control. 80-watt Class A, AB solid-state power amplifier from 18 to 40 GHz by Exodus Advanced Communications. Real-time peak USB power sensors from 50 MHz to 40 GHz by Boonton. Vector network analyzer from 100 kHz to 4.5 to 8.5 GHz by Rohde Schwarz. 1-port USB vector network analyzer from 1 MHz to 6 GHz by Copper Mountain Technologies. Phase-stable and flexible cable assemblies from DC to 50 GHz by Mori Microwave. 6 GHz low smoke, fire retardant cable for in-building applications by Times Microwave Systems. 110 GHz SMPM mini-lock connectors for mission-critical applications by Smiths Interconnect. Ceramic chip inductors from 0.75 to 75 Nh for 700 MHz LTE 5G applications by Coilcraft. Direct RF3U VPX data converter for high-speed connectivity applications by Mercury Systems. 3 decibel hybrid ring 0 degree 180 degree from 1.1200 GHz to 1.150 GHz by Mecca. 3-way inline power splitter combiner from 617 to 4200 MHz by Microlab. Power limiter from 0.5 to 18 GHz by Quantic PMI. USB programmable solid-state absorptive SPDT switch from 0.1 to 20 GHz by Vonix. Multi-band active GNSS antenna with RTK support for CM-level accuracy by Taugless. E-band VNA frequency extension module from 110 to 170 GHz by Microwave. Non-blocking 4x8 solid-state switch matrix from 100 kHz to 4 GHz by Becker Nachrichtentechnik GmbH. 8-way power divider combiner from 2.0 to 4.2 GHz by American Microwave Corporation. Passive gas triple balanced mixer MMIC from 5 to 30 GHz by Marquee Microwave. High stability SMD crystal from 8 to 125 MHz by Dynamic Engineers. Common data link for airborne, surface, and maritime applications by Bay Systems. 2-watt LTCC diplexer with passband from 2400 to 2500 5150ths to 7125 MHz by Abracon LLC. NP cryogenic low noise amplifier from 4 to 8 GHz by Low Noise Factory. Gas FEMT low noise amplifier from 17 to 55 GHz by Macom. 9-port 5G antennas from 617 to 6000 MHz with GPS GNSS connectivity by Accelwave. Automotive-grade multi-layer ceramic capacitors up to 22 microfarad by Kyocera AVX. Everything RF. Keeping you up to date with the RF microwave industry.